Today in front of me I have Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and in this video I would like to share a few useful camera tricks and tips for this device. So the first tip is basically the whole camera mode, that is the Pro mode. It's a very cool feature for those people who lack some control over the pictures that they take and they would like to have more manual power over the pictures that they shoot. So in it, as you can see, you can manually set the value for the white balance, manually set focus, shutter speed, ISO, exposure, and well, this one just allows you to switch from wide to ultra wide lens and vice versa. So basically, if you are not satisfied with how the camera of this phone treats those parameters automatically in terms of, well, obviously by default in the regular photo mode, all those things, all those options are, well, being adjusted in accordance with whatever environment you are at automatically. Or if you would like just generally would like to be more advanced photographer, this mode is a perfect match. The following tip, or the next tip that I have, is the whole separate high resolution camera mode. So the regular picture mode, let me take a photo in it, will provide you with, well, somewhat decent pictures, but also it comes at the compromise of, well, that's not the best that the camera on this phone can do. But at the same time, though, such pictures do not occupy too much storage space. But if your phone memory is sufficient and you just want to make the best pictures possible, you can always enter the high resolution camera mode and squeeze out the best possible quality the best possible resolution and dimensions from the camera that this device is geared up with. So enter the photo mode, tap at these three lines over here, tap at the list of modes to the more section, and well, somewhere in here we should have the 50 MP mode. I think I saw it previously, so here it is, the Pro mode. So yeah, I guess if you would like to take the Ultra HD photo without tweaking the parameters the Pro mode has, just enter the more section and tap at the Ultra HD over here. Yep, as you can see by this message over here, we have successfully entered the 50 MP mode. And while inside the Ultra HD, we can also enter even higher resolution, which is 200 megapixels. So let's first and foremost take a picture in the 50 MP mode, and then also at the 200 MP mode as well. Now let's go ahead and compare them. So starting with the least resolution. So here it is. I'll try zooming into the subject. Well, I'm not that good of a photographer, so excuse me if those pictures are kind of bad, or well, blurry at least, but whatever is that, I was just trying to show you the details. So this is the resolution and the file size for the default photo mode. I don't know, it's like 12 megapixels, I would assume. That's how much it uses. It does not shown over here, but well, whatever. This one is 50 megapixels, and if I will zoom into this little, well, I forgot how you call the thing that the monitor stands at, I mean, oh god, like the monitor hand, or well, whatever shelf you call it. So as you can see, the zoom is way deeper, the detailing is also way higher, and if I will open up the details, you'll definitely see that both resolution or dimensions and the file size were increased. And finally, the last photo that I took at the 200 megapixels provides you with even better detailing, even bigger increased dimensions or resolution, thus quality. And if I will go to the item details, you'll see that the resolution and file size are increased even more. So choose whatever mode is the most acceptable for you. I mean, the camera allows you a pretty decent choice of alternatives. Some of them are more about saving storage space. Some of them are more about going big. How do you spell this word? Excuse me. Going big on the well, going big on the photo picture, or photo quality or picture quality, so choose whatever fits your needs the most. The next cool option I wanted to share is called the voice shutter. So if for some reason you're not comfortable with taking pictures through tapping at the shutter button, or perhaps you have some alternative shooting methods enabled, but they just do not cut it, you can always, while being at the photo mode, open this additional menu and tap at the voice shutter option. And now just say cheese, and as you can see, the photo gets taken without you pressing or tapping any buttons. Cheese. I'm not sure whether this particular phone has the same thing for video. Yeah, I'm afraid it does not, but well, unfortunate. Alrighty, moving on to the fifth and final thing I wanted to highlight today. That's how you can change the function for the volume keys. So open the camera settings, and then over here go for the volume buttons function. As you can see, the options are that you can set the timer through them. So if I'll tap or rather press either of those buttons, as you can see, the 2 second timer will be started, and then the picture gets taken. You can use your volume keys as the regular shutter button without any timer as well, or as the zoom perhaps, so you will be able to zoom into things with the volume button. So hold the, or press and hold, or just hold the volume up key to zoom in, and well, respectively, volume down button to zoom out. Also a very convenient feature if you have any use for it. And well, you can just make it so that the volume buttons will not do any function other than changing the volume as they are, or well, as they are supposed to be. So as you can see, they do not have any camera controls, and just change the media button, or well, ringer, volume, or media, or alarm. So well, that will be it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.